We also need to make sure that all employees have equal access to learning opportunities, whether we're talking about programs or activities. For years, minority groups have not had the same development opportunities as the majority group, a trend that impacted the advancement rates of minority members and contributed to the glass ceiling. Employees can take action against employers who prevent them from attending training based on their membership in a protected class. Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibits discrimination of employees based on race, color, religion, gender, and national origin. The Age Discrimination in Employment Act of 1967 prohibits discrimination of employees over the age of 40. The Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities, which now has a very broad definition.